Hello, my name is Justin in BCN. I'm a videographer. Today I'd like to do a tutorial about how to connect your Formaya account to one of their add-ons, Campaign Monitor. For those of you who've never seen a tutorial on Formaya before, Formaya is a web page that allows you to create forms like these. This one here, like a review form, a subscription form, anything that you need for your office. Perhaps a contact form or a booking your table very easily, and you can send that to your email, include it in your email, or embed it in your email, or on your website for that matter. So the first thing we need to do today to connect our Formaya account with a Campaign Monitor account, of course, Campaign Monitor being extremely useful for organizing your email lists and subscriber lists, is an API key. So I'm going to go over and show you how to do that. The first thing you need to do is sign up to Campaign Monitor. It's very easy. It's an email address and details, and then you're straight into this page here, and go to Account Settings and Show API Key, and there you have a specific key that allows you to join with Formaya. So I'm going to sign into my account, and I'm going to go over, this is the back end of Formaya. I'm going to go over here to add-ons, and you see I've already connected with MailChimp, I've already connected with Campaign Monitor, but this is where you'd put the API key, save, and it comes up connected. So next we're going to go to Forms, and we're going to add a new form. We're going to create, let's say, subscribers. I'm going to create a new form, and we'll say form title subscribers. Make that a little bit bigger, bold it, center it. I don't know, let's say jet black. I don't have too much time today to detail the form. That's not the most important thing. I think if you yourself can play around with a lot of these options to make your forms look very nice. But today I want to show you how to connect them. So I'm going to use one line, a full name and email address. Now this is the most basic form you could possibly get, but what we need to do, of course, is make this email address. I want to make this email address compulsory. You see this little red star here. This simply means that as a user, somebody reading your information and then subscribing cannot simply subscribe without submitting an email address. Simple little detail. But of course, add this to Campaign Monitor, and then what we need to do is go to Form Options. And down here you've got this integration. So this requires a list ID, which means creating a list with Campaign Monitor. So we'll go back over to that web page, go back here, and we've got lists and subscribers. I'm going to create a list. I'm going to call this one subscribers, if I can spell the word correctly. Create list. And here we have change name type. If you go and click on this, you'll see down here you have an API subscriber list ID. I'm going to take that full code and go back to Formaya, pop it in here, save. Now that should be the basics of what we need to create a list here. So what I'm going to do now is show you the live previews. This is a very basic basic looking form, as I said, but just to show you the example, I'm going to call in, I'm going to say Justin, and the address is justin@justin.com. Doesn't matter that it doesn't exist, but submit that. And what you'll see back at Formaya here, if you go back to the list of forms with here, you'll have already see this message come through because it's a saved form. But if you go, of course, to Campaign Monitor, you'll see this has come through to here, and therefore it's actually working. So when you go back to Formaya, of course, you can go back to your form, click on your form subscribers. You can spend a bit more time editing this form, making it look very nice. Maybe you want to add some conditional values, or I don't know, a whole different list of questions before people can submit their form. You can check to see all the submissions here, and that's about it. I think that's the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.